say is if I was your
Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you lovely ladies and gentlemen how I lay my synthetic unit. I am not, a very showy person, a person that likes a trillion edges. So what I actually did was I customized my Audrey wig that I reviewed. I'll be putting it up above, but I customized her just to make sure it looked a little bit more natural on the front of my hair. I did my bald cap method and laid this sucker down. This, is not going anywhere. I made sure that it is 2000% secure. So if you want your synthetic wig to look bomb and stay on, make sure that you keep watching this video. Again, this doesn't have to be a synthetic wig, but since I wear a lot of synthetic wigs, I just said, to lay your synthetic wig. But it really doesn't matter. It can be a human hair wig, regular wig, whatever. But mainly wig with a lace front is what's important. If you haven't already, make sure that you like this video so other people can see this as well, and that you subscribe to my channel. Again, I post hair, I post beauty, I post everything, that's anything. So if you're interested in learning how to lay a wig, different wigs you should try, or just anything beauty, make sure that you subscribe, okay? But without further ado, let me just get into the video so you can see how I laid this baby down. Alright, so this is the final look. When it comes to using Got2b glue, the one thing that I noticed is if you have foundation on already, sometimes it leaves like little brown dots. So I got rid of those brown dots. And because I am wearing this in a side part, I didn't lay this side, but I laid this side. So as you can see right here, you can still kind of see where the cap is, but it's easy to fix. You can just put foundation on it and kind of just blend it out. But because no one's gonna see it, I'm gonna leave it down. But this is very simple. This unit, again, is a beautiful unit. It reminds me a lot of Celeste, but shorter. If you know about the Cloud Swiss Lace collection, Cloud 9 lace, this is just quality hair for it to be, you know, synthetic. So please let me know how you guys liked my method, if you guys enjoyed it or understood what I was doing. And let me know how this wig looks on me, you know. I'm trying to switch it up for the spring. Trying to switch up for the spring. Let me do a little 180. Ignore my chair, but you know, bad gal. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.
Hey, hey.